Welcome. I love science. I try to make new apparatus and find out their properties. You have already seen my apparatus in YouTube before. Today I am showing another apparatus. This apparatus and the method is quite new. I have named it Magical Atmos apparatus. By this apparatus, we may measure, increase or decrease the moisture and buoyancy in air. Now about the apparatus. I have been kept two powerful magnets in repulsion each other perpendicularly on a aluminum rail. Each magnet is fixed on a thermocol plate. One is upper plate and other is lower plate. Here is a broad scale in degree with a long hand. Here is a round scale in degree with a short hand. And here is a straight scale in centimeter with a teeny hand. The distance between two magnets, I say repulsion distance, in short RD. When the long hand runs 40 degree towards 140 degree, RD increases. And when it runs 140 degree towards 40 degree, RD decreases. Now come to the first observation. In the beginning, two magnets are being kept out of repulsion. With the help of long handle, look, with the help of long handle, look, lower plate is moving upwards. With the help of long handle, look, lower plate is moving upwards. And it is always fixed at a distance. While lower plate is moving upwards, at a time, upper plate is also moving upward. And it is steady to a scale. This time, upper plate is almost at floating state. But why? It is due to repulsion and other force. But what is other force? Yes, we will come to that point after a while. Now taking the RD by seeing the broad scale, come to the second observation. With the help of upper wheel, look, with the help of upper wheel, look, upper plate is moving more upwards. And it is being kept out of repulsion. With the help of upper wheel, look, upper plate is moving more upwards and it is being kept out of repulsion. Again, it is allowed to go downwards gradually. Again, it is allowed to go downwards gradually. At last, it is rested at a scale. At last, it is rested at a scale. This time, RD is much than before RD. The average of two RD is the actual RD. However, I have noticed after repeated observation in various weather, and that is number one, RD is directly variable. RD is directly variable to the power of magnet. RD is directly variable to the moisture present in air. RD is inversely variable to the atmospheric pressure. RD is inversely variable to the weight of upper magnet. RD is influenced by the magnetic substance while close to the apparatus. RD is influenced with the smoothness of aluminum rail. So, my apparatus can say with a report. That means rain possibility, dry atmosphere, storm, moisture, and buoyancy. My confidence, this apparatus will be acceptable and important by the students and all on scientific view. Though this apparatus is handmade, but portable more perfect. If like, send message. That's all. Thank you.